Shrader Tire Oil has gone above and beyond what I expected. It helped us through the transition into a new building. Helped us figure out where everything needed to be, how it worked, from beginning to end. Just very helpful people. They came in at the time we were building the building and stepped in and took pretty much charge of what we were going to do with everything and work with our people. We had a blueprint of what was going on, what we wanted, and they pretty much gave us what we were asking for. When we got the electronic dispensers and what have you, I did have quite a few questions. Aaron was able to answer all them questions and set up just the way we needed to be. Flawless operation. Yeah, I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier with everything that they've done for me.